Welcome to week 3 of our wellness month. This week we are focusing on gut health and nourishing your gut. Today I am bringing you a healing soup. This is one of my favorite meals to make. It's a comfort food. It is filled with gut benefits. It's got collagen. It's got bay leaves to heal your gut. All kinds of just mineral rich. You've heard the hype on bone broth. Well, this is bone broth at its best. Very easy to do. I start with a rotisserie chicken, and you take the chicken off. You put the carcass in a pot with water and vegetables, and you boil that. And I have a little trick where I put in a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and that pulls out the nutrients in the bones of the soup. And the vegetables have prebiotic benefits. I add bay leaf, herbs for extra nutrition and support. But let me show you how I do it. Here is our warm, comforting bowl of chicken soup, good for whatever ails you. You'll have to excuse my appearance tonight. I was at an event for my foundation, packing up used soccer gear, but I didn't want to leave you hanging here. I want to do a post every day this month. And this is our chicken soup. You can see the carrots and the celery. You can see it steaming. This is such an economical and nutritious gut healing meal for pennies on the dollar. I don't know if you get rotisserie chickens at your store where you live, but I can stretch a rotisserie chicken pretty far. We sliced off some of the chicken last night, and we had it with broccoli and cheese. Today I took the meat off and I boiled the carcass, and it is just so delicious. I'm going to just take a little taste. This is always what I want when I don't feel well. And if you just make this part of your routine, you're healing your gut. You are saving money. The house just smells incredible right now. I've had this simmering, but I hope you'll give this a try. You have even more reasons to make this other than it's just such a good comfort food. It has so many gut healing properties. The vegetables, the bay leaf, the herbs. Hope you'll give this a try. If you do, let me know. Please give me a thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow for day 3.